face. Going all the way, going all the way, going all the way, going all the way up. Going all the way, going all the way, going, going, going all the way.
Happy birthday, Tita Oli! God bless!
Happy birthday, Nanay Oli. Hope you good health. I love you.
Hello, hi Tita Oli. Happy 80th birthday. I hope you have good health and enjoy the rest of the day, the night, I mean. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Golden ticket passing by. I kept my broken.
Hi, Nanay Oli! Happy 80th birthday! More birthdays to come and good health always.
Be your hero when I lose.
Happy birthday, Nanay Oli.
Happy birthday, ate! Hope you enjoy the day today. Happy birthday!
Tita Oli, happy 80th birthday. I wish you all the happiness in life, Nox. And I wish you more birthdays to come. Mga hanggang 120. Happy birthday, Tita Oli. We love you. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye.
Hello! Happy birthday, ate! May you have more birthdays to come. Wishing you good health and happiness.
Happy birthday, Nanay Oli. Love you.
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday! Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Love ya!
Hi, Tita Oli! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! I can't wait to see you!
Hi, Nanay Oli! Happy 80th birthday! Sana happy ka sa surprise namin. I'm so happy na nagkasama-sama ulit tayo today. Sana masaya ka. Happy birthday! Good health! We love you, Nanay!
Nanay! Happy birthday! Sana na-surprise ka talaga sa birthday mo. Wishing you good health, more blessings to come, and kita ulit tayo next na birthday mo. Hopefully, sana.
Happy birthday, Nay! Love you. Sana makapunta tayong Soler.
Asawa?
Happy birthday ulit, Nanay. Sana happy ka na nandito tayo lahat ngayon. We'll see you again. Pagbalik natin doon, papasyal tayo. And magsusuler pa tayo.
Oo nga.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ulit, Nanay! We love you!
Hello, happy birthday, Nay. Sana sa pagbalik mo sa Amerika, maging malakas ka. Huwag ka laging pasaway kay Ate Beck, saka sa akin. Alagaan mo sarili mo. Enjoy ka lang. Huwag ka laging malungkot. Saka sa bahay. Huwag ka mag-isip kung ano-ano. Lagi ka lang masaya. Ayan lang ang masasabi ko sa'yo na mahal na mahal kita, Nay. I love you. Happy birthday.
Nanay, happy birthday! And wish you many more years to come. Saka marami pa tayong birthday na darating. Magpa-party tayo lagi. At saka mag-i-enjoy pa tayo ng maraming pang taon. At sana malakas ka lagi at magpalakas. At saka magdasal lang tayo sa Panginoon na bigyan ka pa ng maraming pang taon at malakas na kalusugan. At saka sama-sama tayo na matutupad ang mga pangarap ng mga bata at pangarap natin sa Pilipinas at sa Amerika. So, Nay, palakas ka lang at saka lagi lang tayong magmamahalan at ganun pa din, magbe-birthday party tayo lagi-lagi. Love you!
Maraming salamat sa aking mga bisita at sa anak kong nagpepera sa aking birthday. Maraming salamat sa aking mga kapatid din. Hindi ko alam na magbe-birthday ko ng ganito kasaya. Yung pala, ganito pala ang aking birthday, napakasaya. Tama.